Hey everybody, my name is Wes. Welcome to Frugal McDougal. Built in 1983, corner division in 8. The development behind me, Nashville's growing like crazy. If you ever come here, Google liquor store, this is the place I told you to come. We'll be doing a live review today. One sip only, Knob Creek rye. See how it goes. All right, good color. Knob Creek, Bean family out of Kentucky here. Suntory owns them as well. Been around forever. Typical bottlings, 9-year, 100 proof. Rye single barrel itself, this is 6.5 years old. Told one of the oldest ones out there. Smells great, you know, a little bit hard right now. Caramels, a little bit of tannic. Kind of smells like my 7th grade gym shop. In a good way. Wow. 115 proof, this thing's light, playful, fun. Spices just tingling down the tongue. It's good. Doesn't drink 115. I'm not mad at it. Pretty easy. Going to 7-8. Keeping it light, keeping it easy like it's doing for me right now. As a rye, single barrel, this is a knockout. We got 2 other ones on the shelf, Starlight, River Set, all 3 over 115 proof. This thing's great, I love it. Come in, sit down, have a pour, buy a bottle, take a case. Have a good day.